Hello, today we have with us Darius Khambata, sir, Senior Advocate. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you, what are your views on the ideology of Maharaj Ji and how did you find the exhibition at the conclave?
So I must tell you, I am tremendously impressed with what I've seen and heard. I, of course, know Swami Ji and Jain Acharya Ji, and I have been very impressed with him as a human being, as a philosopher and a thinker, and actually amazed at his knowledge of law. And I think it's a wonderful thing to have his confluence, because the idea of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam really is the ethos of our constitution. We are all one family. The world is one family.
Right.
And therefore, to have this event, I think is really it's the most spiritual way in which we can serve our constitution.
How far do you think can the state rely on constitutional duties and social goals before fundamental rights are effectively diluted?
I don't think there should be a conflict between fundamental rights and duties, because every right does carry with it a responsibility. I'm not saying it should be limited by that duty or responsibility, but every citizen should know that a fundamental right is to be exercised for a higher purpose, not for a selfish goal.
Right.
But I would be against any imposition of fundamental duties upon a citizen as a precondition to fundamental rights. As we have just heard, fundamental rights are inherent rights, they're natural rights. They are not given to us by anybody. So therefore, I think the two go hand in hand. One should not be dominant over the other.
So, do you think that Article 31C still serves a constitutional purpose or has it become an overboard shield for state action?
31C has been struck down in both its parts. So the second part was struck down in Keshavananda Bharati's case. The first part has been struck down in Minerva Mills, really. So 31B, of course, is still on the statute book. And yes, for 31B, I think the state should not resort to it, except in the most extreme and meritorious cases. And now, of course, after Coelho's case, we have a protection even qua statutes that are put in the 9th schedule.
Sir, so now I'll come to a short rapid fire which requires like an instant answer. So, constitutional duties safeguard or overreach?
Both.
Article 31B still relevant or misused?
No, 31B is misused.
Basic structure, strong shield or weakening check?
Strong shield.
Article 31B, constitutional necessity or historical relic?
Historical relic.
Nation state today, right-centric or state-centric?
It should be citizen-centric.